Welcome to Kids Learn channel.
I wanna eat ice cream tomorrow.
I wanna eat ice cream tomorrow.
I wanna drink water later.
I wanna drink water later.
I wanna go to the park next weekend.
I wanna go to the park next weekend.
I wanna play a game after school.
I wanna play a game after school.
I wanna watch TV tonight.
I wanna watch TV tonight.
I wanna take a nap in the afternoon.
I wanna take a nap in the afternoon.
I wanna read a book next week.
I wanna read a book next week.
I wanna draw a picture later.
I wanna draw a picture later.
I wanna ride a bike on Saturday.
I wanna ride a bike on Saturday.
I wanna go to the zoo soon.
I wanna go to the zoo soon.
I wanna be happy in the future.
I wanna be happy in the future.
I wanna learn English next month.
I wanna learn English next month.
I wanna sing a song at the party.
I wanna sing a song at the party.
I wanna dance tomorrow.
I wanna dance tomorrow.
I wanna make friends at school.
I wanna make friends at school.
I wanna help my mom tomorrow.
I wanna help my mom tomorrow.
I wanna eat pizza for dinner.
I wanna eat pizza for dinner.
I wanna fly a kite this weekend.
I wanna fly a kite this weekend.
I wanna go swimming next summer.
I wanna go swimming next summer.
I wanna try something new next time.
I wanna try something new next time.
I wanna buy a toy at the store.
I wanna buy a toy at the store.
I wanna eat a burger tonight.
I wanna eat a burger tonight.
I wanna drink juice at lunch.
I wanna drink juice at lunch.
I wanna get a balloon at the fair.
I wanna get a balloon at the fair.
I wanna buy new clothes soon.
I wanna buy new clothes soon.
I wanna taste chocolate later.
I wanna taste chocolate later.
I wanna eat cake at the party.
I wanna eat cake at the party.
I wanna go to the market tomorrow.
I wanna go to the market tomorrow.
I wanna buy some fruits next time.
I wanna buy some fruits next time.
I wanna travel to a new place next year.
I wanna travel to a new place next year.
I want to visit my grandparents next holiday.
I wanna visit my grandparents next holiday.
I want to play with my pet tomorrow.
I wanna play with my pet tomorrow.
I want to go hiking next month.
I wanna go hiking next month.
I want to play football after school.
I wanna play football after school.
I want to build a sandcastle at the beach.
I wanna build a sandcastle at the beach.
I want to see the stars tonight.
I wanna see the stars tonight.
For watching over educational video, please find the link getting the description box and subscribe over channel.